Hey, man, thanks for tuning in, man. Back at it again, man. Back at it again. Trying to make a little change. All right, man, we got an Ezgo TXT gas here with the Kawasaki engine. I'm going to show you how to tighten the starter belt on it. Now, if you look at it, I'm going to tell you this while I'm talking. The drive belt, a lot of people think this is something wrong with it, but it ain't. That's supposed to be loose because whenever your clutches engage, they go in, and then it opens the back clutch and the belt gets tight. That's what moves the golf cart. So if your back clutch is loose, if the back belt the drive belt is loose, don't worry about it. That's normal. But if you look at it here, man, on your starter, this is your starter. If you look at it, you got two nuts there. All right. So you're on the passenger side of the car. You see the two nuts here that come off this little L bolt. So what you want to do is take a 9/16 wrench and put it on the top nut. And you can see, put it on the top nuts. And sometimes you can take it and break the top nut loose. All right, in this case, the bottom nut's not spinning. All right, so I can break it loose. But if both of them spin, you can just take two wrenches and do it that way. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is just take this 9/16 wrench and put it on my bottom nut. I'm gonna loosen the top nut up some more. All right, and I'm gonna take it. Get it on there, right? So I'm gonna take the wrench now and put on the bottom nut. All right, I'm gonna take it and tighten it up. And they say, man, they recommend a 1/2 inch of travel, like a 1/2 inch of travel in the belt. So I need to go a little more on that one there. So I'm gonna do the same thing. And while I'm tightening the belt up, man, I'm gonna tell you, if you got an Ezgo and you got a problem sometime where it lags cranking up on compression stroke, look at your pulley here, because on the first Kawasaki engines, it had a big gold looking pulley. So now they've actually upgraded the starter where it has a smaller pulley. Because on compression stroke with the bigger pulley, it had more, it was taking forever to turn over. So you go, like that area, it finally turned over. So they went with a smaller pulley, man. So make sure you have the small pulley on your starter. All right, so now that I got my tension, now that I have my tension on my starter belt, about a 1/2 inch of play or wherever I think is tight. Don't put it too tight, because you put it too tight, when you drive it and get it hot, it will shred it. So then what I'm gonna do is take my 9/16 wrench. Hey man, do me a favor, fellas. Let's try to get this video over 200 likes, man. All right. If you don't mind, hit that like button for me, man. Hit that subscribe button, like button. So now for the final thing, I'm gonna take the 9/16 wrench, put on the bottom nut, and I'm gonna take the 9/16 other wrench, and then I'm gonna take one hand and just squeeze them together. All right, almost like you're closing a pair of scissors. All right, and there you go, man. Your starter belt's tight. That's how you tighten it up. All right, stay tuned, man. I'll make some more videos, man. Remember what I said, man. Let's get this video to 100 likes, man. I appreciate it.